I want you to imagine the internet looking something like this. Yeah, it's not looking too great, is it? The internet is such a big place where anyone with any idea of you can express themselves through posts, music, or even like myself through video format. And right now I'm using YouTube, a platform which allows me to voice my opinion with many other independent creators alongside me. And I wouldn't be creating this video right now if it wasn't at risk. The very thing that allows us access to this content with no restrictions and added fees, the very principle being net neutrality, enabling anyone with an internet access to access all content and applications regardless of the source. Of course there are some legality issues with some sources, but let's not get into that. So you might be wondering what's happening. Well, the FCC want to repeal net neutrality rules with a few organisations supporting this repeal. Well, not so many do, and not so many is quite the understatement. If net neutrality was to be repealed by the FCC, this will give ISPs more control over the content hosted on the internet. They can control what you see and what you cannot see, charge you more to access greater amount of content, and biggest of all, censorship. For me, YouTube is a platform for independent creators. We don't need permission to create the content we wish to create, because there are no restrictions. So much innovating content has been able to thrive all over the website because we have this freedom to do so, and the FCC want to take this away from us. So why let this stop us? Why drop everything we have worked so hard for just to be blocked or pushed to the side? If you wish to learn more on the subject and read into it in more detail, then I'll post some links below. And if you want to help the fight for the cause, then I'll provide in more links below where you can call or write emails and letters to Congress and the FCC. And I've been Mr. Codswallop, and thank you for watching.